Hi friends, in today's lecture we will be studying about the slicer feature in Microsoft Excel. So before I teach you the slicer feature, first you have to understand why to use the slicer. So for this you will see that I have some huge HR data with me. You can see the total number of records I have is something like 742 records. Now, the data which I have is employee name, building, department, hire rate, years of service, status, bonus, job rating, and compensation. Now, supposing I would like to filter these records on various criteria like job rating or the status or the department, then you can use a very simple feature of Microsoft Excel called as the data filter. So I can click on data, and in data I can just apply a filter, and in filter I can click on department, and I can suppose and select only the compliance department and select OK. Now I can see the data only for compliance department. Now what happens in data filter is, no doubt it serves the purpose of filtering the data, but once the data is filtered, you do not know what are the other departments available for me to filter. Until and unless you again click over here and then scroll down and search for the other departments. So this time suppose I want research and development and I don't want compliance, so I will select research and development. So same thing happens for job rating as well. I can click on job rating and select a specific job rating. But once it is filtered, I am unaware about what are the other job rating options. So friends, in this case, the slicer feature of Excel can help you. So let us see how to do that. First, we'll remove the filter by clicking over here. So the filter is gone. Now you have to remember that the slicer feature will work only if you have the data in a tabular format. So in order to convert this data into a table, first we click anywhere inside the table and then click on insert, and in the insert menu we select table. It will automatically highlight your entire data. Just click on OK, and now the data is converted into a table. Once the data is converted into a table, then in the table design view you get a feature called as insert slicer. So you can click on insert slicer. Now it asks you want the slicer for what data. So I want the slicer for department, I want the slicer for job rating, and I want the slicer for status. So I will click on OK, and the slicers are here. So I can have the slicer for job rating over here, and I can size the slicer. If I size it further down, you'll see a scroll bar comes over here. To avoid that, I can just size it appropriately so that I can see all the options available for job rating. Same way, I can see all the options for the status. And finally, I have all the options for department. Now you can see in department, it's a huge department. So Excel gives you a feature to increase it into 2 columns or maybe 3 columns or 4 columns, and you can size the data like this so that you can see all your records at the same time. So now you can see the beauty of this slicer. So if I want data only for engineering department, I'll click here. So you can see I get data only for engineering/maintenance. If I want data only for operations, I get data only for operations. Suppose then I want engineering plus operations, I will keep the shift press and click on engineering. I'll press the control and click on engineering. So I will get engineering and operations. If I want to remove the filter, I'll just click on this X over here, which stands for clear filter. Same way, if I want all those employees with job rating 1, all those employees with job rating 2, or all those employees with job rating 5. Same way, suppose I want all those employees who are full-time employees, who are job rating 5, and who are in the operations department. So this way the slicer can help me because I can see not only the filtered data, but I can also see all the other options available. And once you want to clear the slices, just click here, clear, clear and clear. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.